Good morning, Bendy Babes. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Boxycharm September 2019 base box. We're going to take a look at the sneak peeks and exactly what are these sneak peeks. We're going to take a look at the variations and which one you are hoping for. So before we begin, what is Boxycharm for those of us that do not know? Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box. You'll receive 5 full-size products based on your beauty profile. These products will be valued at least $100. Once you become a charmer, you'll be eligible to upgrade to the Boxy Lux if you decide to. And you're running out of time. If you're a charmer and want to upgrade to that Boxy Lux, it's going to be a good one. This time, I'll link that video up above if you want to see what's in the Boxy Lux. You'll also have access to any limited edition boxes, any Boxy pop-ups we may have, and that sort of thing. So let's begin with our sneak peek number 1. Sneak peek number 1 is a confirmed sneak peek. You're either getting the Violet Voss Essential Eyeshadow Palette, the Tarte Clay Play Face Setting Palette, Volume 1, or the Too Faced Natural Face Highlight Blush and Bronzing Veil Face Palette. One of these 3. I'm going to explain a little bit about each one, and then we'll look at the differences. The first one we're going to talk about is your eyeshadow palette. Now, looking at all 3, this would be your more colorful eyeshadow palette. It's a 10-pan eyeshadow palette, and it looks like they have 6 mattes and 4 shimmery shades. It's just beautiful. And I have this video showing you exactly how the colors look. I want to give credit to Boxycharm Sneak Peek for this video. I will put her Instagram under here. That's where I found this. And it's just a beautiful eyeshadow palette, and you can't go wrong with Violet Voss. All her formulas are very pigmented. It's just very good shadow. Next we have from Tarte Cosmetics the Clay Play Face Sculpting Palette, Volume 1, which sells for $45. Researching this one, it's a BOGO sale right now. If you buy one, you get another palette half price. So in this palette, you'll get 12 essential Amazonian clay matte eyeshadows that multitask as eye, nose, and brow shapers, plus contour shadows. All these shadows are universal powders that will look good on any skin tone. These are dermatologist and ophthalmologist safe, so they're safe to use with contacts. These are mineral pigments which are soothing and softening to the skin. These shades also have vanilla extract in them. This is a natural fragrance. It's rich in antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Now looking at this palette, they say the center large powder called Desert is a cool taupe. Now when I look at this palette, I see all warm tones, so I'm not sure if the camera is changing the way it looks. We'll just have to see when we get it, but they're saying that you do get one cool tone shade in it. Moving on to Too Faced, the Natural Face Highlight Blush and Bronzing Veil Face Palette. Wow, that's a mouthful. For $44. In this, you get 0.84 ounces. The benefits you'll get from this palette are it's made with coconut butter. Coconut butter hydrates and feels soft and comfortable on your lids and face. The powders in this palette are really soft, and it's a lightweight, never cakey. All the shades in this palette are buildable, payoff, and customized glow to your particular face. In this palette, you'll get 2 shimmer highlights, 2 blushes, and 2 bronzing veils. The 2 shimmery highlights, the first one is a frosted pink champagne called Starlight, and the second is Satin Sheets, a frosted golden pink. Both of these are beautiful on the skin. Very natural. If you build it up, it's to a high sheen. This palette is beautiful on the skin. I actually have used it and own this palette. It also has 2 blushes, The first blush is called Pink Wink. It's a pink coral satin, and Pink Sands is a matte mocha pink. I love Pink Sands. That was my favorite in the palette of the two blushes. And then you get two bronzing veils, one satin, one shimmery. Sunny Honey is a warm ginger natural satin, and Tropic Like It's Hot is a spiced terracotta shimmering bronzer, and it's very, very pretty. Even though I prefer a matte bronzer, I could use these, and they weren't really too much on the skin. This palette on Ulta got 4.8 out of 5 stars out of 102 reviews, and 84 of those 102 gave it 5 stars. That's a really good review. On Sephora, it was given 4.5 stars out of 5 on average, and this was out of 288 reviews. Out of those 288, 188 people gave it 5 stars. Now let's compare our Too Faced palette to our Tarte palette. The cost of each of them are very similar. One's $44, one's $45. Looking at the weight of the palettes. Now this is the weight of just the product, not the container. In Too Faced, if you add up the powders, you have 0.84 of an ounce. If you add up the 12 powders in Tarte, you have 1.05 ounces. This is a difference of 0.21. But the Tarte has 12 shadows or shades. Too Faced has 6. So you're looking at one's a larger palette than the other, and really the weight is about, if you look at those large shades on the bottom of the Tarte, those are each 0.21. So you're getting one more of those in the Tarte palette. So the weight's not off for the Too Faced. It's just a smaller palette than the Tarte one. So I would, if that is if you want to get the larger palette with the more product, you would go with the Tarte one. Now, they both look like nice palettes. I have never seen the Tarte palette in person. I have seen the Too Faced. I can tell you that Too Faced palette is very bougie. It is very luxurious and fancy and nice. It's, it's just Too Faced. Too Faced always has good packaging. Now, looking at cruelty-free, Too Faced is cruelty-free, Tarte is not. They both have safe products. They both are paraben-free. Now, your Too Faced has coconut butter in it, and the fragrance of the Too Faced palette is very nice. It actually has a vanilla type scent. I guess it's a combination of coconut and vanilla. This coconut butter makes it hydrating for the skin. Now, in your Tarte product, they have coconut extract, so I'm sure this one must smell good. Also, I've never smelled it. The big thing in the Tarte palette is that Amazonian clay. That Amazonian clay is really good for your skin. It's a natural pigment. It's just really good. Also, the Tarte is dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. It is safe for contact lens. So you just really, if you were buying these two, I don't know which one you would choose, but it would be very hard for me because I already know how good the Too Faced product is because I've tried it. But I'm very interested in trying this Tarte product. I think so this would be a hard decision for me. I probably would just go with whichever one they gave me. So, moving on to sneak peek number 2. Sneak peek number 2 is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Hydrobiotic. It's the recovery sleeping mask. Now, this sneak peek was released on Instagram by an Instagrammer called Martha Martinez. Diet, stress, aging, antibiotics, and even harsh beauty products can strip away beneficial microorganisms, upsetting your complexion's perfectly balanced ecosystem, resulting in breakouts, blemishes, dry patches, and other imperfections. With the Biotic Balancing Complex, which is in this product, Dr. Brandt Skincare developed a technology that supports the skin's natural bioshield for optimum skin health. This product is great for Any skin type, natural, oily, combination, dry, sensitive. It's a hydrating, recovery sleeping mask that balances the skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. It's a solution for dryness, redness, or irritation. So I'm really anxious to try this product. I hope it is also in Boxyluxe, which I'm pretty sure it will be because we were promised a Dr. Brandt product in Boxyluxe. Sneak peek number 3 is not a confirmed sneak peek. The Stick With It liner in black by Hank and Henry, or the MAC Frost lipstick in CB96, which you can see is a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. And MAC products are always just perfect. They're an oldie but goodie brand. They've been around a long time, and their lip products are just really amazing. I'd like to see it in the comments. Which one would you prefer in your box? Which palette? And remember, we have one more day for the giveaway. Make sure you watched all my videos in August, and you have a chance of winning some of these. There's a total of 7 different color pop palettes. These are the little $12 palettes, and I divided it into 2 groups. You'll get 4 as the first prize and 3 as the second prize. I was going to give them all away in a group, but you always like more prizes rather than one big group, so we'll split them up. Make sure you get in all your entries. If you don't know how to get into my giveaways, I have all the rules and regulations listed below. Just click the link, go under that video in the description area, and you'll see all of the rules and regulations so that you don't miss out. Then we'll pick a winner, I decided, on that next Sunday. Not this Sunday coming up, not the 1st, but the following Sunday. And for our September giveaway, it's going to be Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm getting the Jackie Anna, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, palette, as well as these beautiful lippies. And that will be my first month of having my Patreons. So we will also have this same prize in our Patreon giveaway. So I hope, I wasn't sure how Patreon worked, but the way they work, you can only join like on the 1st of the month. So everybody that has joined will be billed on the 1st. And that group of people who have donated money already in other ways, like through Super Chat or PayPal, as well as my Patreons, will be included in that giveaway. So I will have the complete set of rules for September, starting with my September videos, so watch out for that. We'll have our next on Sunday, September 8th. So I hope you can all make it. On that Sunday, we will pick our 2 winners for our August giveaway. And of course, we will have other giveaways during the live at the end, like we always do. At that live, we decided we want to do a cut crease eye look. So if you want to join in, guys, let's get together. I'll try to do it a little better. I know that the lens was getting a little blurry because I kept moving my head. So I'm going to try better to let you see what I'm doing this time. And hopefully I won't be as nervous as I was, because I definitely was really, really nervous. But yes, that will be our next live. And please, if you have never been to a live, we have so much fun. We're getting to know each other. I love my subscriber group. They are just the best subscribers on YouTube. I don't think anybody has a better group than I do. Just really, really sweet women, just out for friendship, learning a little bit about makeup, just kind women, the kindest women that I have ever met in my life. So hope to see y'all that Sunday, but I will continue putting up sneak peeks and videos throughout next week. And I'm going to the LSU football game, so I'll try to get some footage there if I can. Thank you all for watching. Please remember, if you can, share out my video to your Facebook friends or anyone. It really helps my channel. And also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
And if you liked my video, please give me a like. It really helps them to share my video out to other YouTubers, and it helps my channel so much. Thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.